Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing great. Like me, I'm doing okay. So today we are going to be trying a new thing that is going on TikTok, on YouTube. So we still have to be the part. Then I get this green mask stick. So I received it, come with box. The box was not good at all, so I have to throw it away. Then we are going to be trying this and see if what is just going on TikTok. They will just apply it, see black thing is coming out, if it's like that or not. So let's get started. So you have this black plastic thing inside. You have something that used to cover it, then you take the up out. But the box that it come in, it was Chinese. They didn't write anything at all. That's why I didn't even keep it. I can see something. You guys can see it there. Hey guys, can you see that? Can you see that? Do I have to apply it all over? Guys, it's working. Guys, it's working. Let me apply it here. Jesus. Guys, can you really see it? Can you really see this? Should I continue applying it on my face? Like, this is crazy. Like, OMG. So guys, I just apply it now and it's getting dry. Then I will just wrist it out. Like it's very easy to wash out, and it's not sticky. It's very good. Like, and what I will apply on my face because of his mask, then I will just apply a little bit of vitamin E. Then I will apply it on my palm and massage it, then apply it all over my face, and when it's dry, what I notice, and if it's drying, it will be getting your face drag, like it's dragging your face. You know, when you apply something on your face, then it's getting dry, then it will be like dragging. It's very nice. It didn't smell bad. It's okay. There is no like perf. He have his own smell. Nothing is not smelling. Nothing is just like a normal smell. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I will be doing more video DIY, and so that anytime I upload a video you will be notified. Bye.